It's frozen. Let me touch. Oh, it only took 2 minutes. It's colder here than Alaska, guys.
Yeah, it's colder here than Antarctica.
Oh, Antarctica, I meant. Sorry.
So, we're doing a little science experiment today. We are having record-breaking low temperatures, sub-zero temperatures in the state of Illinois, well, throughout the Midwest of the United States. So basically, today it is -15 with a wind chill of -34. We're gonna conduct a few experiments. We're basically going to throw boiling water or hot water out in the air and see if it turns or evaporates and turns into snow dust. It's basically an experiment that we heard about, and the young guy here, young Amir, is interested in. And since it's cold enough to do it, we're gonna try. And we have some clothes over here in a bucket. Let me show you the bucket. Amir's clothes. We got some jeans. We're gonna use some jeans. We got a shirt. And we got some shorts. And we're gonna see what happens when we dump it in the water.
And we got some boiling water.
Yep, there's boiling water, which we're gonna do first. So here we go. Boiling hot water. We're gonna see what happens.
Man, Amir, where's your coat? Whew.
As you can see.
All right. Oh.
Ready?
Okay. Ready, Amir?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Oh!
What?
There you go.
Oh, that's pretty darn cool.
Now, we got the clothes.
Oh, you putting it in water? Okay.
It's supposed to freeze pretty instant. We'll see how long it takes for it to freeze solid. Let's start with the lightest one. We'll start with the t-shirt, and we'll go up to the shorts, and then we'll go up to the pants, jeans. You can see the steam coming off the clothes. It's been about 2 minutes. And we'll check on the garments, the clothing.
Oh, already frozen. It's frozen. Let me touch. Oh, it only took 2 minutes. Look, come here, come closer. Whoa, it only took 2 minutes. That's crazy. Here, crack it, Amir.
So that's the shirt. Rock hard.
This crap, it only took 2 minutes.
Pants are still kind of jiggly. But
That was bigger, so. Oh, it's still kind of frozen though. Wow. Ooh, it's cold. My feet are freezing. Ah.
Look at these. These are the ones are the hardest. So these.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, guys. Rock hard. Look at that. So thanks for joining us in our experiments in this cold weather. See me, I got my slippers on,
I have on no shoes.
Crazy like that. It's cold, but you know, we out here. Subscribe. Thanks.